Do you know many people are having trouble with their ovens not heating up? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power. Ensure that the oven is plugged in and the electricity supply is switched on. Verify the household fuse or circuit breaker and reset if necessary. Step 2. Set clock. Set the oven's clock. An unset clock can prevent the oven from functioning properly. Step 3. Check timer. Ensure the timer is set to manual mode. An improperly set timer can affect oven operations. Step 4. Deactivate demo. Deactivate demo mode if it is on. Demo mode prevents the oven from heating up. Step 5. Remove obstacles. Remove any foil or trays from the bottom of the oven. These can obstruct the heating elements. Step 6. Preheat oven. Preheat the oven for at least 30 minutes before placing food inside to ensure it reaches the desired temperature. By following these steps, your oven should be heating up properly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Westinghouse users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.